Hi guys! Today we are going to do pad see ew. Pad see ew is a popular Thai street food among foreigner and the Thais alike. My pad see ew is not spicy when served, but you can add dry chili flakes for extra spice, sugar for extra sweetness, and sliced chili spur in vinegar for extra sourness for your balanced dish in true Thai dining style. We are going to make pork pad see ew today, but you can also use chicken, beef, shrimps, even seafood, or tofu for if you are vegetarian, because all the sauce ingredients are the same. There's a few tips for you to follow, so pay attention and let's go create authentic pad see ew from Tasty Thai. Katie wants to tell you about all the ingredients, which are
pork, dark soy sauce, garlic, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, white noodles, egg, kale, olive oil, chili flake, chili spur and vinegar.
good girl, good job, well done. You want to say anything?
Bye bye guys.
See ya! Slice the pork thinly because this dish needs to cook quickly, so we need to slice the pork thinly. Slice the pork across the grain makes it more tender. I will marinate the pork with oyster sauce and soy sauce to get plenty umami and flavor to the meat. This one oyster sauce and soy sauce. Now I'm going to mix the marinate ingredient with the pork and leave it about 10 to 15 minutes while I'm doing the other stuff. That's it. Here's the noodles that I bought from the market this morning. So before we cook it, you need to separate it out, not cook with the lump. This noodle, they put oil to stop it stuck together. Oh, by the way, if you can't find the fresh noodle, you can use the white pad Thai noodles and rehydrate it before you do pad see ew. Or you can make it at home. Next, I will mix black soy sauce or dark soy sauce, or we call in Thai see ew sauce, with the noodles. This sauce is the main ingredient, pad see ew. So you get it right. If you haven't got see ew sauce, so just forget it. Forget this dish, because this dish called pad see ew. And here, see ew sauce I'm talking about. Black soy sauce. This is Thai black soy sauce. There's two types of black soy sauce. One is sweet and the other is savory. You can use either one, but if you use the savory flavor, you need to add a bit more sugar to get the sweetness on the dish. Then mix the noodle with see ew sauce. Okay, let me explain about the kale. So When you get in the market, in the supermarket, you need to get the young kale, not the long stem one, because this one more tender than the old one. And when we prepare the kale, we don't need the yellow leaf like this. This one yellow, which means they old, so chuck it away. We don't want so much green on the dish anyway, so if you don't have kale, you can use roccorini. Mostly I use the stem for this dish because the crunchiness contrasts with the soft from the noodle. So if you get the young one, you don't have to peel it at all. But if you get the old one, you need to peel the tough skin out from the stem like that. So for the leaf, I will cut in triangle just to use the middle bit here. As I said, I don't want too much green on the dish. The stem need to be cooked first because they're thicker than the leaf. So it's ready because the color is changed to light green. I will take it kale out. You can also use the wok for cooking this and use a pan like this. I will use this one because most people got this one in their kitchen. Let's powder garlic to cook the pork. Have a little crush. And then for the next step, I'm going to cook the pork. And first of all, I need the pan get a bit hotter. Then we'll add oil, cooking oil, olive oil, any cooking oil you can use. It's important to cook the garlic because we don't want the garlic get to burn, right? Before we cook the pork. When you get the smell from the garlic, so add the pork for one portion. And then season with a little bit of soy sauce. Right. The pork is done. Heat off and then transfer to the plate. Next, let's cook. Stir fry the egg and noodle. So add extra oil. Noodle in immediately and then stir fry with the egg. And the heat have to be hot. In this step, we will stir fry the egg and the noodle until we get a nice smell from the egg and the noodle. Right, it's time to put pork. Be careful with the water from the pork because this dish is a dry dish. And then season with oyster sauce. soy sauce, and sugar. I need to have a little taste. More sugar. Right, done. So normally we serve with เครื่องปรุง เครื่องปรุง mean condiments, which are chili spur in vinegar for a sourness, sugar for a sweet, chili flakes for spice. So right, for my dish, pad see ew, I will add some พริกดองน้ำส้ม here. And add some chili flakes. Very yummy. So you got to try in your kitchen.